Hey guys, so this is my 2000 TTR125 Yamaha. So I've had it for about over a year now. Or no, I've had it for about over half a year now. And it's a really good bike. I definitely recommend getting one. So anyways, I upgraded the fork springs to BBR fork springs from the standard stock Yamaha ones. So it's really easy. It took us under an hour to do. I'll definitely recommend having two people do it though. It's kind of tough. So what you do first, you take off the whole fork, you take off the wheel, rim, everything. You don't take off the triple clamp or anything. Then once you get that done, you take off this little rubber thing at the top, you pry it off. And then underneath that there's a hex nut, and you take that off. I would use an impact wrench. We use the air impact wrench thing. And you have to hold it really tight, and you get it loose, and there's a little nut thing that comes off. And then there's a spacer, which looks like this. Spacer like that, and the spring is below that. And you take the spring out and you drain all the oil. Our oil was absolutely disgusting. It was like really bad. It was like gray looking. So you have to drain that, you have to pump it out. And then you do that, and then you put new oil in. We just used Honda oil. We just used Honda suspension fluid, 10 weight. We need to upgrade it to 15 weight because, I don't know, I'm not that heavy of a rider. I'm not that crazy. And so we did that. And you have to pump it back in, make sure it's all in there. And you just put the springs in there, which were, they're good springs. You put the springs in there, and then you just put the cap back on and put the rubber on and put them back on here. So it was pretty easy to install. I would definitely recommend doing it. So yeah, if you want your TTR to perform good, I would definitely think about doing it. Now I'm just thinking about maybe doing the rear springs. I don't know if I should upgrade those or not. My TTR125 2000. So we took the forks off, and I've got BBR fork springs for it. And so this one we've already put the springs in it, new oil, and this one's the stock one. So I'm going to show you what the difference is. So this one's kind of easy at first. It's kind of like the stock one, but then it gets really hard at the end. And then this one is just like easy all the way through. But definitely the BBR is definitely a great improvement, and I'll definitely think about buying it if you ride your TTR like a track. Well, I guess thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.